Hi guys, in this session I am going to explain string in Python. How this string will work in Python program. I will explain you one by one. Okay, actually we have to understand what is string literal. One of the string literal is written in single quote. For double quote, also string literal we consider. Okay, even if we write a string within the single quote, string within the double quote also considered as a string literal, and we can type number. We can take it as a string literal if we double quote around number. We are using a print function over this string. It will print in a output. Okay, I taken a string literal that is within the single quote, within the double quote, and even the number, and I just want to print it. Output we got as a what we are expected. Okay, here I want to change the number and at the same time changing it to double quotes. I'm entering a number within the double quotes. This is also called a print function, and it gives a output, and try to identify type. Okay, try to use this type function to identify which type the value is. Here, check out. It is the type of string. It is showing it. This is not a number. This is a string. Okay, we will do some other operations. Within the print, if we take two strings, what happens? Within the print, I am taking two strings. So what happens? Just we will check. Okay, no problem. It given a output. String is concatenated with the other string without any operation. You can take this as a variable. Okay. Within the print function, if we use a variables, what happens? We will check out. It given a errors. Check out these errors. What is those errors? So how to resolve these errors? I will show you how to resolve these errors. Yeah, errors disappeared. So why? This is the operation we are using. Plus operator gives a result. Okay, check out this output. Yeah, we got a output. Plus operator gives this output. Plus is called concatenation. Whenever we use in between strings. Okay, it is concatenated. One more thing we will do here. Check out this output. The same thing. It is given a some space in between number and string. Here number is also considered as a string. If we take it as a number, okay, what happens? Check it out. Yeah, it is given a error. Why? Within two strings, you can use a concatenation operator. That means plus operator. But you cannot use number with a string. So how you can resolve this one? Use string as a function over numeric number. It resolves it. Yeah, it is resolved. And one more example I will show you. I'm using a input function. Check out what happens. Okay, some mistyping. Okay, it disappeared. Error is disappeared. Okay, just check out this output. Your name. Okay, I entered. It given a hello Peter. So what actually this input function is doing? Here input function is doing, it is taking a name from input terminal, and it will takes the input, and this will be printed in a print function. Okay, we are taking a Peter as a name for a input. This is the output we got it. So I think you understood what is print, what is input, what is string function, and what is the concatenation. And I think you understood everything. I hope you get a clarity. See you in the next session.